SSM College of Engineering, approved by AICTE, affiliated to Anna University. The vision of the college is to proliferate challenging technical professionals and equip them with the knowledge and skills to make a successful entry into technological arena, and also to bring out the hidden innovative skills to benefit the society, nation and the world at large. The mission of the college is to disseminate globally standardized technical education, to inculcate high sense of discipline, to foster research and development, to gratify industry expectations through industry institute interaction, to be student centered in leadership skills to face the challenges of the competitive world. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Petroleum Engineering, Textile Technology, Mechatronics Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Textile Chemistry, and Petrochemical Technology. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments. For OC it is 81 to 155, for BCM 100 to 124, for BC 96 to 144, for MBC 89 to 143, for SC it is 79 to 90. The facilities at SSM College of Engineering. Central Library serves as central support services of SSM College of Engineering. The mission of the Central Library is to provide the right information services to the right readers at the right time and access to bibliographic and full text printed resources to support the scholarly and information needs of the institute community. Central Library is well equipped with modern facilities and resources in the form of CD-ROMs, online databases, audio-video cassettes, books, e-journals, patents, e-standards, theses, reports, monographs, etc. The Central Library is automated with more than 50,000 books and about 350 journals as well as online journals on various disciplines. Counseling and guidance. Professional counseling and guidance services are available to all students and prospective students of SSM College of Engineering, where a quality circle on guidance and counseling functions in the college campus with separate internal counselor for each department. Academic advisement and individual counseling appointments are available to students along with full range of courses in personal growth and development. Counselors have been duly appointed and are prepared to answer the inquiries or talk with the students about their academic performance, choice of career, personal goals, and transfer opportunities. Sports. Citius alitus fortius. Fastest, highest, and strongest is the motto of physical education. SSM encourages students to be healthy in body and mind. Sports provide an excellent opportunity for students to interact with each other, develop true sportsman spirit, and also help them stay healthy. Students of SSMCE are divided into 4 groups and are reshuffled every year so as to develop the sense of commandership and kinship. The students participate in fair voting to select their captains and vice captains. The students have represented into university competitions and bagged several medals and trophies in various sports and games. Outdoor games such as cricket, basketball, volleyball, shuttlecock, and tennis are also available for the students in order to keep them physically fit. Students are encouraged to play indoor games such as table tennis, carom, chess, etc. Placement at SSM. From the academic year 2015 to 2020, the total percentage of placement is above 95%. In 2015-16 academic year, the number of students eligible were 570 and students placed were 548 and the percentage placement is 96. In 2016-17, it was 97.69. In 2017-18, students placed were 96.6%. In 2018-19 batch, 97%. In 2019-2020 batch, 97.8 students percentage of students were placed. And the major recruiters are Accenture, UST Global, Syntel, Cisco, Dell, Intel, HP, Solaris, Polyhouse, Integra, Just Dial, Manali, Samsung, Tech Mahindra, IBM, HCL, Infosys, LG, Seidel, Tata, Wipro, Ashok Leyland, Byju's Learning App, Intertech, HGS, Mobitech, Integra, Mitsuba, Avalon, Voltec, Samsung, Bosch, Bajaj, Mahindra, Hexaware, BNP Paribas, Cognizant, CEAT, and many more. Result comparison from 2013 to 2016. In 2013 it was 50%, in 2014 49, in 2015 65%, in 2016 52%. The college counseling code is 2614. Contact number is 87540-21121 or 98940-26708. Website is www.ssmce.ac.in. College is located in NH47, Salem Main Road, Kumarapalayam, Namakkal District, Tamil Nadu. Mail ID is enquiries@ssmce.ac.in.